back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, welcome. So today I have another Dollar Tree Easter DIY video. The color scheme is going to be white with orange and these array done inspired planters. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. To begin, we are going to start off with this doormat, and I ended up using a mat from the Dollar Tree, the wooden ornaments, a folder for a template, makeup sponges, the chalk paints, and acrylic paints. So to begin, I ended up grabbing one of the Easter bunnies from the packets, and also I grabbed a carrot from the other. I'm taking this folder and I'm cutting it in half, so that way I'm able to do two separate templates, and you're going to trace around to get the shape. And once you're done with the tracing, you are going to take your scissors and you're going to make a hole in the middle, so that way it's easy to cut inside of the shape. And this is what you're going to use as your templates for the mat. And next you're going to grab these makeup sponges from the Dollar Tree, and that's what you're going to use to apply the paint onto the mat. And these worked really well. There was no bleeding. The shapes came out exactly how I wanted it. And guys, I purchased the paint from Walmart. Now if you wanted to, you can just have this mat be just carrots, or you can also have the mat be only with bunnies. But I feel like with the two, it looks really cute, but it's honestly up to you. Now once I was done doing the carrots, I'm now gonna go on and do the rabbits. And I ended up using white acrylic paint that I also got at Walmart. So you're going to continue on with this process until you have the mat full of as many bunnies and carrots as you want. Next DIY project, we are going to be making this carrot and rabbit garland. I absolutely love this one. To begin, you're going to need the rabbit ornaments and the carrot ornaments. I then used some jute rope and the acrylic paint. I had silver there because I wanted to give it like a rustic look, but then I changed my mind. And you're also going to be using the makeup sponges and this needle to thread the jute through the ornaments. So you're going to begin with 3 rabbits. I'm going to be using white chalk paint. You want to make sure that you cover the rabbit in the front and also on the back, in case you want to place this in front of a mirror. The back won't be bare and it will match whatever is in the front. Okay, I'm done with all 3 bunnies, and now we can move on to the carrots. And it's going to be the same process. I'm going to be using the makeup sponges, the orange and green paint. And you want to make sure that you do it in the front and in the back. And then when you're done, then we can assemble the garland together. Now you can leave the carrots exactly how they are, but I wanted to add a little bit of detail, so I'm going to be taking some of the jute rope and I'm going to be measuring it, so that way I can cut a few strips of it and just wrap it around the carrot. Okay, now that I am done wrapping the jute around the carrots, I'm now going to take the jute rope and thread it through a needle, so that way I can start assembling the garland. Once you are done assembling the garland, you're going to take the ends and you're going to create a loop. That way, if you need to hang it, it will be easy. And for our last DIY project, we are going to be doing these planters. To begin, you're going to need these ceramic planters, some white chalk paint, and I am going to be using these little carrots here. You're going to need 4 of them, and Spanish moss. So to begin, I'm going to be using this makeup sponge And guys, I do not recommend using the sponge on this. So that's why you see me switch over to the brush. I feel like the application was easier with the brush. You can do one coat. I ended up doing two, but the chalk paint works really well on this planter. So you're gonna cover both of them. Now for the lettering, I ended up using one of Ariana's acrylic markers. I got this for her on Amazon. They are from the brand Ahuhu. I will list the link down below. They worked awesome on this. I feel like I'm gonna end up getting a pack for myself because it worked better than the Sharpie. So for the first pot, I ended up writing grow, and on this one I put bloom. Once you're done with the lettering, now it's time to grab some of that Spanish moss, and you want to fill it up to the top. That way you don't see the clay color inside. And then you are going to put these little carrots inside. If you want to glue it in, you can if you want it to be more steady. But I just placed it in there, so then that way if I want to reuse these pots, then I don't have to worry about the pot being damaged on the inside. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these DIY decor videos that I'm creating. And if you did, make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on Snapchat. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time we upload. And until next time, bye. Mwah!